Hey, rumor has it that my average rapping is sort of hazardous. Imagine if I put half of the passion in every action. I'd probably cause a national panic and have them asking the African national clan what was to can happen. It's a matter of life and death when I'm at it, a sort of natural disaster. It's hurricanes that are black and I'm tearing through all your lands and I'm ripping through all your shacks. Matter of fact, I'm super volcanic ash when I land on your fitted cap. I burn through all of the raps you stashed under your hat. Matter of fact, I'm carbon monoxide, methane, greenhouse gas. The heat I release is trapped. I'm melting the polar caps. The city is not lost, the people are not gone. For anybody that asked, I happen to Atlantis. Matter of fact, I rap better than who you think is the baddest. Oh, he's so platinum. Fact of the matter is that it really does not matter. I'm shitting over your status. I'm coming after your plaque. I'm a ravenous rabid animal coming after your pack. That's all they get. What's up, guys? My name is Jesse. For the best youth news, entertainment, and lifestyle, make sure you follow Connect on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.